This is my version of Japanese Hambagu, inspired by my trip to Fukuoka, Japan, and the ever-popular Jollibee menu item hamburger steak, which drew nostalgia from late-night trips to the fast food chain while growing up in my teens in Manila. I thought, why not merge the best of both worlds? Taking my cue from cooking with dog and altering it to my taste, I whipped up a home-cooked version, a juicy patty smothered in rich demi-glace savory sauce. It's comforting, simple, and packed with umami, and not to mention healthy as well. Plus, zero oil spatters. What's better than that? Hope you enjoy. Cheers!